I have some new chewy chewlry. These are fabric ones for those kids who like to chew on their shirts. Anything cloth. These are basically just cloth. They kind of, you can see they're kind of like a thick sweatshirt material. They're actually a really, really long strip. You can kind of see that. And they have Velcro on both sides. So it makes this huge necklace. You could wrap it around a couple times, make bracelets. So these are perfect for kids who like to chew on clothing.